Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I am a really big fan of Apple products because I believe that they have such an amazing quality, and also I believe that they are beautifully finished as well. And this right here is the iPhone 15 Plus. I actually switched to iPhone around 10 years ago, and ever since I switched, I have never tried another brand when it comes to a phone because I have been so satisfied with iPhone and I continue to be satisfied, and I'm just very happy with the overall quality of Apple products. This iPhone 15 Plus has so many cool features, and there are so many reasons why I love it. First of all, if you take a look at the phone, it is absolutely beautiful. It has such a delicate finish. If you take a look at the back, you can see it has a matte finish and it has a beautiful pale blue color. I also like that in the front, you can engage with the entire screen. And also, there are so many cool apps that come with Apple that I really, really love. I also love that you can connect this phone to all of your other Apple products. And it's like you just have one whole Apple world, which I find to be really cool. This phone has an amazing camera. As you can take a look, it has two cameras, and I just really like it because there are so many amazing features on the camera. For example, one I really like to use is the cinematic mode. It just makes amazing, high quality videos. And this phone is absolutely amazing, and I am so happy that I acquired it. And that's my point of view.